Happy New Year to all my viewers. Wish you a prosperous year ahead. In this new year, if your boss asks you to prepare an organization chart, or if you're setting up a new business and you want to create an organization chart, or it's called as org chart, I'll show you how we can easily create using Microsoft Word without any hassle. As you can see here, I've taken a sample organization chart where the vice president and under there are 4 directors, and under them there are senior managers, then managers, officers, specialists, junior officer, senior officer, etc. Based on your organizational structure, you can redesign it and you can add any number of layers to it. Let me show you how to create this in the MS Word. Hi, welcome to Click for Knowledge. My name is Ramesh. If you're visiting for the first time, please do consider to subscribe and follow for more informative videos. Let's open one MS Word blank template and then go to layout, select the orientation as landscape. So when you're creating an organization chart, the orientation of landscape is better. Then after that, go to size and then select A4 because most of the organization prefer to print out on A4. If you want A3, you can change it to A3. Now just give a title organizational chart. So I'm saying it's a procurement department organization chart. So I'm writing as organizational chart of procurement department. Based on your department, you can customize and rename it accordingly. Now let's just adjust the size, font and orientation of the title and bold it, underline it. Okay, after that I'm just entering, and then now I'm going to insert plate and which will redesign. Go to insert, after that click on Smartart, and here you can build templates which we can use it. So go to hierarchy and then click any one of this template. So we have different options where photos with photos and without photos with different structures. So I'm selecting the third one and click OK. So I have inserted the template here which we will work on. So it has a standard form of design for hierarchy where I can insert the names here or here on the text box. So I'm inserting vice president, so it is the head of that department, so I'm giving as vice president. Now next you can see a small box here where I can give his name or her name and type it over here. I'm just typing as John Matthews as the vice president of this department. Depends upon your organization structure, you can rename it accordingly. As I told you before, this is a standard structure, but in our template we want 4 directors under the VP. Let's delete this box and then we will insert it under the vice president. To insert a new box, go to under Smart Design, go to Add Shapes and select Add Shape After. So we have inserted a shape after the first box, so I'm just enlarging it. So and once you inserting the details inside, and then it will automatically redesign and restructure and resize accordingly. So first of all I'm updating as the first director of marketing. The next one is director of IT, right, as per our template, which is this is IT department director. Then after that director FM, as per our template is director FM. The next one is the director of operations, so I'm typing director operations. Based on your department structure, you can redesign or retype according to your department. Then I can give the names of those persons holding that title in the small box given below the big box. Okay, I'm not typing the names here, but you can do it based on your organization structure. As per our template, under the director there are 2 senior managers for marketing department. Now let's insert 2 senior managers under the director of marketing. For that, click on add shape and then click on add shape below. And again I want another senior manager, so I'm just selecting the other one, add shape below. So the problem is that the structure is not correct, so I need to promote this guy to up. For that, just click on promote. So you can see that under director there are 2 senior manager position. Now let's update the senior managers, the details here. So you can just type as senior manager. This is the senior manager 1, and the another senior manager, just type senior manager. Okay, and then you can give the names under the small box given below. So after the senior manager there are managers. So go to the our slide and then see the manager, and then specialist, and the senior officer for the first senior manager. Then similarly just select the cell and then say add shape below. So you all add manager under senior manager. So I'm typing manager. Then under him there are 2 personals, so just select that cell and then add shape below. So and I want to create one more, so add shape below again, select that one and add shape below. Now under the manager there are 2 boxes created, so just type specialist, and after that the senior officer. So those 2 are reporting to the manager, and the manager is reporting to senior manager is reporting to the director of marketing. Now we have finished the first portion. Next is the next senior manager. Before that, let me just adjust the size so that it looks better. I'm just enlarging the size. Let's see our template, who is reporting to whom. Now under the senior manager you can see one officer is reporting to the senior manager. So I'm selecting that cell. After that go to add shapes, then select add shape below. Now the box is inserted, so I'm typing a officer under the senior manager. Now the director of marketing is finished. Just go to director IT. Let's see what are the reportees of director IT. Under director IT there are 2 senior manager again, so I'm going to insert the shapes under the director IT, add shape, do the same step which we have done it for director marketing. Here you can see under the manager there are 1 junior officer and an officer. So I'm going to insert the shapes under the manager, add shape below, then the another one, add shape below again. Right, so just fill up the junior officer name and the officer. Steps are as similar as we have done it before, that's why I'm just fast forwarding it. Similarly, we'll do it for director FM and director operations. Now our organization chart is almost ready. Now let's apply some formatting. Click on change colors. You can see different options, different color coding which is available, which you can try it out. And also you can see some formatting which we can make it here, where there are multiple options available, just like 3D or different setup. I'm selecting this or the other one, the next one. This looks better, so I'm selecting this as an option. So similarly you can use different options, different formatting options, and design it accordingly. Now let's color code as per our reference template. That is different color code for different designation. So blue for vice president and director, which I need to color code. For that I am selecting all the directors. Then after that click on right click, then you get fill options. From here you can select the colors which you want. You can select any color, and I'm keeping uniform for all directors, and also the all designation, the similar designation will have same colors. This will be easier for our future references, and also it looks better based on the designation we color coded. So similarly I'm color coding for senior manager, manager, officer, specialist, junior officer, and senior officer, etc. So for senior manager I'm selecting green color, so I need to select all the senior manager boxes and then fill the colors accordingly. Applied green color for the senior manager. Now it's turn for managers. Select the managers, the boxes, and after that go to fill color and put a color. It can be any color. So there is no mandatory that you should color code all the organization chart. You can use it a uniform color. For example, blue with white font can be used for all the designation. So here I'm just for a reference purpose, I'm just color coding it, and it's looks in colorful. So that's why there is no mandate that you need to color code all the designations. This will also help if you want to count the titles. For example, how many directors we have, how many senior managers you have, how many officers you have, etc. So it'll be easier if you color code it according to the designation. So for example, here the director, we have 4 directors. So we can just from the chart, it's visible, it's evident that there are 4 directors which is color coded in brown. So you can either put a box downside and then just color code and mention directors 4, senior managers 6, officers, managers, etc. So and also you can put the overall head counts of that department, so which will give you a complete picture about the roles and designation available in that department. Our color coding is almost done. Now, as I told you before, you can change the type of charts from here on that box. If you select it, it just changes to the other format. There are multiple options available. If you want to change it accordingly, you can also select any of the templates here. I prefer the third one, that's why I'm selecting the third one. There are different options also. You can check it here where you can see it. You can add photos, or if you want to design in this way, there are multiple options available here on the design tab. In case if you want to change any of the designation, you can change it from the text box as well. If you just edit here and then change it to, for example, from marketing to non-IT, you can just remove marketing and just type non-IT, then it will automatically changes on the chart. So you don't need to click on the chart itself, you can control everything from here. Also, if you want to just promote or demote any of the designation, you can just backspace it, then it's flipped upwards and it goes up. The manager goes upwards, right? So here like this. Or also if you use tab button on your keypad, it just flows down, it's demotes. Use from the text box, you can control the designation, orders and changes. So that can be done from here as well. So if you want to change the position of the organization chart, you can do it from under layout, positioning. From here you can change from different options available there, at the bottom, at the middle, or the center. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you like the video, please do like, subscribe my YouTube channel, and also please don't forget to share with your friends and colleagues. And if you want me to make a tutorial to make the organization chart in PowerPoint, please let me know in comment box. Thank you so much for watching. See you in next video.